Striving for longevity, the path to a lasting impact. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, strive for longevity. This phrase is not just about living a long life but is rich in meaning and application, especially when it comes to our goals, projects, and overall life philosophy. By understanding and applying this principle, we can make decisions that ensure our efforts have a lasting impact. Let's dive into what it means to strive for longevity and how you can apply it in various aspects of your life. Strive for longevity combines two powerful concepts: striving, which means making great efforts to achieve something, and longevity, which refers to the ability to last for a long time. Together, they encourage us to work towards goals and create things that will endure beyond our immediate presence or short-term achievements. This could mean focusing on quality, sustainability, and lasting value in whatever we do, from relationships and health to career and personal projects. In a world that often prioritizes quick results and short-term gains, the pursuit of longevity invites us to think long-term. It's about creating a legacy, making a difference, and ensuring our efforts continue to benefit others well into the future. Whether you're writing a book, building a business, nurturing relationships, or working on personal development, aiming for longevity ensures that your work has a lasting, positive impact. To strive for longevity, consider these key strategies. Quality over quantity. Focus on doing things well rather than quickly. Quality work endures and stands the test of time. Sustainable practices. Whether it's personal health, environmental sustainability, or business models, practices that ensure renewal and long-term viability are crucial. Adaptability. Being open to change and ready to evolve with circumstances helps ensure that you or your projects remain relevant and impactful. Invest in relationships. Building strong, meaningful relationships can be one of the most lasting legacies you leave behind. Continuous learning. Embrace learning as a lifelong journey to ensure personal growth and adaptability over time. Striving for longevity is a powerful approach to life that goes beyond mere survival. It's about creating lasting value, making a meaningful impact, and ensuring that our efforts endure over time. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can apply the principle of striving for longevity in your own life. Whether it's through your work, your relationships, or your personal goals, remember that the choices you make today can create a legacy that lasts well into the future. Thank you for watching, and may your efforts flourish for years to come.